that sunset. Look at that sunset. Jeez. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, man, we out here, bro. Seafood City. Let's get some food. Yeah, they got like a little takeout buffet right here. That's pretty cool. Jeez, was grilling it up. That fish. Sheesh. We got the Noodle Street, we got Crispy Town, and we got Grill City, bro. What a nice place to live. Ooh, I never had this before. I had the chocolate one, not the ube version. My Filipinos, let me know how it is. Ooh, we got the BEAVERTAILS out here. Sheesh. It ain't a Filipino market without the fish. The fish. Man, look at them squids, boy. We got more fish. Man, we got some mussels out here. Got some oysters. Salmon. Yeah, buddy. You know I got the meats. They got a Canada section in the Filipino market. Come on, cuz. Look how expensive this maple syrup is. Bruh. Gotta add in the sauce. Sir, yes sir. Yes sir. Ooh, look at this chicken barbecue. That's some soup. Yeah, baby. Gotta wash down that barbecue with some peppermint tea. A little piece of some ube cake. Alright guys, apparently we had a crazy snowstorm last night. People can't even move their cars. The highway is closed. And jeez. Yeah, I think they're right. Look at that. My goodness. Look guys, as you see on the side, it's almost a near record snowstorm. The snow, I think, reached like 60 or 70 centimeters. It's crazy. And I'm crazy too because I'm about to go outside and show you guys the Canadian life. Alright, yo, it's good someone cleared the sidewalks, so it's not too bad. Guys, I'm walking. Look how much snow they had to clear just to get a decent sidewalk for people to walk. Holy, look at all these birds. They like the cold. Boy, look at the streets. My goodness, it must be tough to drive today. Nobody is renting a bike today. Look at that. Oh, we got one person renting a bike. They crazy. Look at a mountain of snow they had to clear out. Jeez, it's taller than me. That's crazy, man. Man, shout out to the people clearing the snow, man. It's a lot of work, a lot of work. Alright guys, we're walking. God, it's snow. Sheesh. Look how high they had to, clear the snow. Man, that's crazy. Yeah, man, this would have been a good time to skate actually because there's no one here. Yeah, people are just skating on their own because the skate rental store is closed. Alright guys, this is a new city hall right here. Pretty cool. Look at the Christmas tree, they still got it up. Alright guys, let's grab a little bit of snow. Ooh. Oh, that's cold. Make some halo halo. Look at the snowplow, bro. Putting in that work. Good job, man. Ooh, crazy out here. A lot of people say, oh, they love winter. Summer's overrated. Yeah. Y'all tripping, man. Y'all tripping. Like I said, man. You guys rather struggle in boots, put in how many layers of clothes, just to take a walk. Or we could be going swimming right now on the beach. You tell me, man. Alright, y'all, another day, another dollar. Let's get it. About to go to the distillery. Gonna try to eat at one of those heated patios, man. It's been a while, so let's go. Woo. We're back at it again. Look at the distillery. All filled with snow. Sheesh. That's tough. Oh, this is crazy. Look at that. Bro, we're supposed to eat in a heated patio, bro. Look at this. That's tough. I don't blame them for not shoveling this. That's crazy. Little sweet chili wings. Oh my goodness. Shout out to Boku, man. Look at these sweet chili wings. Another workout in the books. Can't wait till the gym's open, but in the meantime, just gotta keep working. And after a good workout, nothing like some panse palabok homemade. Ooh. Alright, let's go Harbourfront. Look at this, all frozen. The lake is frozen. Alright, bro, we're just walking, checking out what's happening. Oh, how much I'd pay to just go on a cruise and get out of here, man. It's crazy. Alright, y'all. Look at the sky. It's so dark. Look at the frozen lake, man. Jeez. Yeah, look at these lights. Look at all these boats, man. Stranded. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright guys, we got some BEAVERTAILS. Canadian dessert. Alright guys, it's been a while. We're gonna get some BEAVERTAILS. Look at that. What should I get? I think I'm gonna get the cocoa vanilla. Alright guys, here we got the pastry, a little bit of the vanilla with the Oreo cookie on top. Oh my goodness. BEAVERTAIL. Alright guys, we're just taking a walk right here at ST.LAWRENCE Market. Big market with a lot of food. I think they're actually closed though. Alright guys, we're at the Flatiron building. Sheesh. Alright guys, here's the other side of the Flatiron building. I like the design, super different. Down these stairs, man, I gotta be careful. Alright, now we just walking. Obviously no one's gonna be using these tables. It's cold today. Alright guys, the dog fountain. Might as well call it the skating rink. I'm glad they still kept these holiday lights up. Even though January is about to end. Look at the views, man. Look at the views. Alright guys, we're just walking along Bloor Street. We got the nice stores out here. Alright guys, we're back at Bloor in Yorkville. AKA where the rich people stay. Alright guys, we're in Yorkville Village Mall. It's actually a low-key mall. People do not know about this place. It's so cool though. Ooh, they got real food out here. And mojitos. Alright guys, let's appreciate some of the art right now while we're walking in here. I think it's pretty cool. We got one more here. We got Winnie the Pooh, baby. Nice. Got some flowers. Hey, we got Mickey. Cool. I don't know who this guy is. You guys tell me good. More hearts. And lastly, she's back. She's back in the vlogs. Let's go. Been losing ratings. Now I get them back. Hey, come on. Crawl. Why are you swimming? Why are you trying to swim? You need to crawl. Use your upper body strength. Get it, go get it. Go get it. She's tired. Flip over. Hey.
That's it. Help. Come. Huh? Better? Okay, go halfway.
Hey.
Omicron.
You want some green tea? Shh. Hey, look at that.
Mga kamay.
Yeah, you're changing your diaper. Ah. Look at yourself. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Hey. Hey. Flip over. Flip over. Hey, you're smiling. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
You can do it.
You can do it. Your arm.
Oh, sige. No. Oh. Okay. Put your hands up. Up. Take it out. Like it. There.
Hey.
Back. Yeah, push up. Come on. Go.
Come on, roll over. Hey. You tired?
Okay, go back.
Yeah.
Okay, yan na. You can do it. Go. Come on. Yeah.
Come on.
Go.
She doesn't want it.
No. You have to go for it one more time. One more time. Go. Go now. Go. You can do it. Go. Don't go back. Go now. Go. Yeah.
Roll over. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, boo. Hey, don't eat that. It's not your food. Hey. Say hi. Hey. You sitting down now like an adult? By yourself? Good job. Hey. You hungry? Hey. Finish all the milk, look. You did a good workout today, so that's how you're hungry. Hey. Take a shower? Hey. Fresh and clean. That's crazy. Playtime. Having fun? Hey. Hello, Makayla. Hello. Hey, hello. Boo-boo. You like it? Alright guys, got some BERRYA tacos. Oh my goodness. Looks so good. I can't wait to get into this. Jeez. Alright guys, with these tacos, you gotta dip them in the BERRYA sauce and then a little bit of hot sauce. Oh my. So good guys, so good.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.